How y'all doing? And thanks for tuning in. I want to go over the plug and play auto flasher kit for the 21 and newer F-150 headlights. I'll be very specific. What you're looking at here is the headlight and the signal kits, both purchased on a single plug and play. You only need one connector. So you can purchase it DRL only, signal only, or both, and it'll only come with one connector. A long wire here for the opposing side, a short wire for the close side. And if you're buying one kit, you will get one 15-foot 18.5, but as this kit is both, it will get two 18.5 coils. This is our power control. This is the field seam that you're responsible for doing. Here's the uninsulated butt connectors and waterproof adhesive line heat shrink tubing for that connection. You'll run these to your switches. We do not provide switches. Most importantly, this is the connector for this headlight. If your headlight does not have this connector, do not order this kit as it will not fit. This again, the dual kit for the 21 and newer F-150, but is very similar to the single kit. These kits for the plug and play headlights only on the F-150 for the white DRL, the amber LED signal, or both, as you can see here. Any questions, please reach out before ordering to ensure a correct fit.